Login failed on Empower Cash fix. You open Empower Cash to move money or check your savings, but the app flashes login failed. It's frustrating, but here's the good news: most login problems with Empower Cash have quick and simple fixes. Start by checking your internet connection. Empower Cash requires a secure network to access financial data. If you're on public Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or turn off your phone. Those are common reasons logins get blocked. Next, update your app. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search Empower, and tap Update. Many login issues come from using older versions that don't match the latest security standards. If you're still locked out, clear your cache. On Android, open Settings, Apps, Empower Storage, clear cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This refreshes your data and removes any bugs that might be interfering. Now, check your credentials. If you've recently changed your Empower password, your phone might still be trying to use an old one through autofill. Type your login manually. If it still fails, select Forgot Password to reset your credentials. Empower will email you a secure link to restore access. Here's something most people get wrong: if you recently linked new accounts or made large transfers, Empower might temporarily block logins to verify your identity. Waiting 10-15 minutes usually helps. Finally, the issue could be server maintenance. When that happens, give it a short break and try again later. So, when you see login failed on Empower Cash, don't panic. Quick check of your connection, an update or password reset will usually fix it. In just a few steps, you'll be back to managing your cash, tracking your balances, and staying in control of your money with confidence.